Welcome to Beautyistic. You know how sometimes the perfect shade of foundation feels like searching for a needle in a haystack? Well, what if you could customize it yourself, right at home? Today, we're diving into the TEMPTU SB Silicone-Based Shade Adjuster Starter Set, designed to help you create the perfect foundation shade by adjusting the tone and depth. If you've ever struggled to match your foundation to your skin, or found your favorite foundation no longer works for you in different seasons, this might just be your new best friend. Let's talk about what's inside this set. The TEMPTU SB Silicone-Based Shade Adjuster includes 7 primary liquid colors designed to adjust the shade of your SB foundation. Whether you need to lighten, darken, or shift the undertone, these little vials offer a highly pigmented formula that can work for all skin types, including combination skin. Each shade is non-comedogenic, meaning it won't clog your pores, which is always a win. This product is all about customization. If you've ever had to settle for a foundation that's not quite right, you know how frustrating that can be. With these adjusters, you have the power to tailor your foundation to your exact needs, whether that's for your summer tan or winter complexion. The formula is designed to be long-lasting and highly pigmented, ensuring that your customized shade stays vibrant throughout the day. Now, in terms of testing, this set was surprisingly easy to incorporate into my beauty routine. I simply mixed the adjusters with my foundation, and the process was seamless. I experimented with different combinations to find the ideal balance, and I found it incredibly user-friendly. A few drops of each adjuster, and I could create everything from a lighter, brighter shade for the colder months to a deeper, richer hue when I've got a bit of a tan. However, as with any customization product, there is a bit of trial and error involved. It's not like you'll just add one drop and instantly have your perfect shade. You have to experiment a bit to find your ideal ratio, especially if you're blending multiple shades. For those who aren't used to mixing their own makeup, it might take a couple of tries to get it just right. Pros? The adjusters themselves are high quality. They mix well with the foundation, and the silicone-based formula provides a smooth, flawless finish. They're versatile too, working with a variety of SB foundations to give you full control over your color. The portability of the set is another huge plus. You can throw it in your makeup bag and adjust your foundation on the go, whether you're traveling or just need a quick tweak to your look. On the flip side, the cons. I did find that it took a little time to perfect the right shade mix, which may be off-putting for those who prefer the convenience of a one-size-fits-all foundation. Also, because the adjusters are designed for specific formulas, SB foundation, if you're using a different foundation, they might not work as effectively. When it comes to value for money, the TEMPTU Shade Adjuster Starter Set seems a bit pricey at first glance. But if you consider the versatility and long-term savings, you're no longer purchasing multiple foundations, it's a smart investment. The amount you get in each vial should last a good while, and being able to adjust shades as your skin changes means you won't be buying a new foundation for every season. There are a few alternatives out there, like color-correcting drops or customizable mixing palettes from other brands. But what sets TEMPTU apart is the silicone-based formula. It's smoother and more blendable than many other options on the market, offering a superior finish. If you're looking for a high-quality, durable product that will give you the ability to adjust your foundation in a way that other products can't, this is worth considering. As for build quality, the packaging is sleek and functional. The little vials are easy to squeeze, giving you just the right amount of product. You can tell that TEMPTU put a lot of thought into the design, ensuring that it's both portable and efficient. In terms of customer support, TEMPTU has a strong reputation for being responsive and helpful with any inquiries. They offer guidance on using their products, which is a nice touch for beginners or those new to custom mixing. To wrap it up, the TEMPTU SB Silicone-Based Shade Adjuster Starter Set is a game changer for anyone who's tired of hunting for the perfect shade of foundation. If you want a foundation that truly matches your skin's undertone, depth, and tone, this product allows you to get it right every time. Yes, it does take some trial and error, but once you get the hang of it, it's a breeze. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. If you've tried this product or something similar, drop a comment below. We'd love to hear your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.